With this brand new Shopify store, I made over $30,000 in the last 28 days as a complete beginner. Making money was never easier. I will tell you the story, which told me everything I needed to know to become successful on Shopify. Once upon a time, in bustling college town, there lived a young and ambitious student named Lucas. Lucas was no ordinary student. He possessed a keen entrepreneurial spirit that set him apart from his peers. He was always on the lookout for innovative ways to make money while pursuing his studies. One year, as the holiday season approached, Lucas had a brilliant idea. He knew that people spent lavishly on gifts and decorations during the Christmas season, and he wanted a piece of the holiday pie. However, he also knew that he needed to act fast to capitalize on the festive shopping frenzy. Lucas's plan was simple but brilliant. He would find a product that was in high demand for Christmas, source it at a reasonable cost, and sell it to eager customers. But what set Lucas apart was his timing. He understood that finding customers before the big holiday rush would give him a significant advantage. With this strategy in mind, Lucas began his research. He scoured the internet for products that were likely to be bestsellers during Christmas. After careful analysis, he stumbled upon a unique and captivating product: customizable, handcrafted Christmas ornaments. Lucas was convinced that these ornaments with a personal touch would make perfect gifts. He found a skilled artisan who could create the ornaments according to his designs at an affordable price. With a reliable supplier in place, Lucas was ready to launch his business. He wasted no time. Lucas set up an online store, carefully crafting product listings that highlighted the ornament's beauty and sentimental value. To ensure that he could deliver products in time for Christmas, he stocked up on inventory, and his supplier worked tirelessly to meet his orders. Lucas's next step was to find customers. He understood the power of social media, and he leveraged platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to create visually appealing ads showcasing his ornaments. He targeted users who showed an interest in holiday decorations and gift ideas. Lucas's marketing efforts paid off faster than he could have imagined. Within days, orders began pouring in. People loved the idea of gifting personalized, handcrafted ornaments to their loved ones. Lucas ensured excellent customer service, promptly responding to inquiries and addressing any concerns. As the days passed, Lucas's sales skyrocketed. His timing was impeccable, as customers were eager to secure their Christmas gifts early. Friends and family soon joined Lucas in his venture, helping him manage the growing demand. By the end of 28 days, Lucas had made an astonishing $30,000 in profit. He had not only achieved his goal, but had also learned the valuable lesson that timing and innovation could lead to remarkable success. Lucas's story of turning a simple idea into a profitable venture became an inspiration to many, especially during the holiday season. Lucas's journey was proof that with determination, creativity, and the right timing, even a young student could achieve incredible financial success while pursuing his dreams. Follow for more.